Welcome everyone. So we are live in 3, 2, 1. Let's go right to it, guys. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. CI is moving right now while we speaking. So what's going on, guys? So if you can hear me, just say hi and let's get right to it. Okay. Perfect. Welcome everybody. So let's get right to it, guys, and see what's going on. Okay, we have OCGN, SNDL, and CEI to the moon. PRAGUE. What else we have? BBY. Hola April. Hola. Okay, let's get right to it, guys. First, we have CI. We have the test been here around the $1.38. We got rejected, and right now just the test, guys. Here we're gonna see another buying pressure here. If we don't have this confirmation, guys, above this level, this is it for CI. The last test to go over this resistant at the $1.38 to go here for the squeeze area $1.84. If we don't, we're gonna see the price gravitate down around the $1.03. This is it for CI. The next thing we have OCGN. Okay, OCGN finds support, as we said, guys. The $9.26 is really important to hold right now, this level. Okay, if we hold it, this will confirm the price will test again the 1326 by the next week, will be another big jump. However, I see a bit of turbulence will happen around the 12 this time, around this area. Okay, so I'll be extra careful from this one because this is a big jump for CI. Okay, we have a lot of insider selling for CEI, guys. There's something not normal happening. Okay, and the other one we have, wait a second, let me check. We have a lot of stocks. We have AMC, guys. It started moving. Look at AMC. We have first a wick here, first test, and here another test. Okay, we need a closing candle, guys. We didn't see a closing candle yet. As I said, the confirmation candle here will prove that in order to see the squeeze here around the 52.32, guys, for AMC. As we said in the last video, this is it, the bottom. That's why we bounced from it, and I told you guys here to buy here. It was perfect buying opportunity and Patreon. Okay, boom, that was perfect. Okay, as I said, guys, if you want to join, is here. We talked about in pre-market everything. We have a lot of requested stock for you guys, so join us, guys, and join the hunter tribe. So what we have else here, let me just check. Boom. Let me check your question, guys. Yes. Did you see what's happened to Shiba, guys? Did you see what's happened to Shiba? We hunted perfectly. Congrats about the people who actually bought at the perfect bottom, guys. I told you to wait after we broke from this ascending line. I told you guys to wait. Be patient. Let the price come to you. And what I told you in the last video, buy here. That's why we see big buying pressure. Boom. That's how we hunt, guys. That's how we hunt. And I told you guys to always buy where there is a big buying pressure, where insider will come near our exponential average. And as I said, guys, we were overextended for Shiba. Boom. That's why I told you guys we gonna see boom here. You see how clear it is around our extension average. Perfect bounce around the 0.4042. As I said, guys, perfect. So what else we have? Let's go for the other thing. Wait a second. Yes. Let me see this one, BBY. Whoa, so this one, this is crazy, guys. This is moving like crazy. Yes. We have a kind of did the double gap, and yeah, we already did the technical for this one. Bad bat and beyond. We said about the gap that happened here because we have some news for this one, and lately it here I think this was on Wednesday. They have partnership, but however there's the price actually went down for a bit because we have so we have Pref Citroen research says it has a $50 to $70 price target for Bad Bath and Beyond. So we have price target, guys, for $50 and $70 for that's why you see a price jump right now. So let me see, like for 50, there's a price $50 and $70 right now from some analysts and some research been out right now on Twitter. So so we have some news and expectation. That's why we see the price going up. Let me see what's going on again. Thank you, Yasin. Thank you, Yasin. AMC to the moon. Okay, OCGN, we handle it. We could actually cover Sandal because we have a lot of Sandal people here. People actually smoke weed, I think, who are trading Sandal. And we have CI, Sandal, what else? Fami. Okay, let's go to see Sandal, guys. Who's owning the weed stock Sandal? Come out. Guys, Sandal has been like accumulating, okay, for the price around this level. Right now we see a breaking for the support, guys, around the 0.65, and we see a breaking. Okay, so this is kind of behavior always happen on Friday. You see, a lot of people just fed up with Sandal right now. That's why you see a bit of selling pressure again and gapped from support that been hold for days here, like since the last month. Okay, we hold in the 0.65 precisely. Right now we have a breaking point again. So let's see if we have some news for Sandal. And we have forget Sandal, buy this for top cannabis stock. So we have a lot of people running around to buy another, actually another top cannabis stock other than Sandal. And we have some not news especially regarding Sandal for this one, but for Sandal we can see here, and dropped 3,000 above. Okay, following earlier gain on Alcana acquisition deal. So yeah, we have kind of for Sandal, guys, the price went up before because we it have some acquisition and the price have got up. However, even with the good news that happened here before around the 21 of the 1st of October, we met with resistance. You know why, guys? Of course, because look with me what's going on. As I said, when we drop from this ascending line, that's what it tell you that the majority of the stock is like have more selling than buying, and the people who buying, there's no new investors but a lot of holders. Okay, that's why the price got rejected here even with the new acquisition, because we have passed this ascending line, which show us that there's no new blood, there's no new buying pressure. That's why the price, whenever we test the 0.76, we see people get out with less like minimum loss. So that's why we have a wick here, and the price right now getting down again. So right now for Sandal need a big news, okay? Not just acquisition, but big news in order to overcome this resistance. So we just put notification for Sandal, guys, around the 0.76, because if we go over this one, we might see the $1 again, okay? However, right now is a bit red for me. For this one we cover it, I think. Yeah, for this one, guys, I will be extra careful. If we want to see the $50 as everybody said, we want to clear the $30 first to confirm that we pass this area, okay? Because right now I don't like this chart, okay? We have two gap, okay? We have two gap, and then after the gap we have buying pressure, then a red, like a lot of selling pressure. So this is not healthy chart, man. If you want to ask me, this is not healthy, not even like normal chart trading. There's a lot of manipulation happening around, so be careful. I will be interested if we just consolidated a bit here to confirm that the 1995 is the support. I will get in to take my profit around the 30. However, right now it's really volatile and a bit of uncertainty happening around the bat and beyond, okay? There's a lot of speculation going on right now. How you doing, Joseph? Sanya, for OCGN have another support around the $9.20, I think. This is the new support. Before it was the 8, and then right now is around the 9.20 in order to retest around the 12. The next resistance will be around the 12. Okay, we have Mara, guys. We have a question about Mara. Joshua, we already talked about Shiba. FLGC, we have a good news about cannibal stocks, right? Joseph, of course, METX, it look really juicy if you want to ask me, you know. For METX, it looks really juicy to me because the target is really big, you know. And we have FLGC. And those two, let me just check for Joseph. Yes, started moving right now. Yes, let me just take 1 hour chart. Okay, the first hour we have not moved, but right now we moving, guys. We already did almost 20%. This is really good. And again, look with me, guys. For the change of momentum, we have a really healthy way right now to consolidate above this our exponential average, and again holding above this really good support, which is the 0.51. And right now we just have one resistance level to see the $1, guys, which is the 0.73, the next resistance for METX. Joseph, this is really important to see the price go even to $1.73. This is a big target for this one, okay? After we pass the $1 mark, we're gonna see a big volatility for METX. However, the two profit taken or the potential rejection, the 0.73 and the squeeze area at 0.99. And for FLGC, for this one, let me check. Let's go on the big picture first. Okay, there's something for this one, Flora. The $4.87 is kind of met with rejection right now. That's why we have formed a red candle right now for Flora. And as I said, the Flora have just this level of resistance. You know what happened at next? We have a big target, guys. For this one would be at least around the $5.90 if we just pass this level. However, right now we forming kind of resistant around the $4.87. And April, for this one, to confirm that we will break it by Monday, we don't want to go back around this. This would be a big sign of weakness if we go again around the $4, because this is the last support for Flora. And then the first support that will see a bit of hold up, it should be about the $4, okay? The $4.36, not the $4.06, but the $4.36. April, if we hold above this little support here, this will guarantee us that we're gonna break this, okay? And this means we actually squeeze the price up right now. We're doing higher lows. Yes, Joseph, holding it for the weekend. Yes, we have Fami. Sam, we read FCL, of course. TMC. We have Fami. For a lot of people requested a lot of Fami. So guys, we're gonna play a game, okay? So we have a lot of requested stock. The most stock been requested, we're gonna start it with first. So for right now, when I see a live chat, I see a lot of Fami around, okay? So we're gonna take Fami right now. So the rest we'll see. The more requested stock, we're gonna take it, okay? Because there's a lot of requested stock, so we take the most requested stock from you guys and cover it first. So right now we just take Fami because it's been requested a lot from you guys. And let me check. In the meantime, let me just check something, guys. Okay, except bomb. Okay, what we have here, let us see the most shorted squeeze stock. Yeah, PRAGUE is still the first, guys, the most heavily shorted stock. Then second, we have Bbig Sporting Goods. This is a new one after ATER. And GameStop. Okay, and we have CEI as well, the fifth. So let us check first Fami, then we go to check this one, BGFV. Let's see, Fami, guys. Okay, for Fami, guys, is still still like the price has been squeezed, as we said in the last videos, in this triangle, and is waiting for a big movement happening for Fami, guys. Just wait for this one because something will happen just if we just overcome this the ascending line from above and the resistance from above. This is it, guys. Here, confirmation above the 0.46, confirmation for explosion will happen. And guess what? Look how crazy we have rejected around our extension average, because this is it, guys. 3 times 3 rejection, and the 4th time will be it for Fami to explode here. Okay, this will be the next level of resistance. We have a big target between the 0.66 and 0.77 here, big target for test before we're gonna see even the $1.20. And let me just check this one. Okay, for this one is like exploded yesterday actually, then today we have a big jump down. Yeah, almost 60%. It's crazy movement happened for this one. We already talked about it actually, because we have like draw the lines for it. And for this one is been squeezed and been in uptrend for a while, guys. From the last year we have a really good channel here. Right now we have consolidation between the 20 and the 30, and right now we have kind of support, which will confirm the price will go up again to go around the 50 if we just hold above the 27 for this one. Double A01, don't cheat. If you put the name of the ticker twice, I don't count it twice. Come on, man. From your name, you like to double things, you know. Hi, Louise. Of course, Louise. Of course, we're gonna cover NXTB right the moment. And what we have here, Rebus, we have Joseph again asking about RECAF energy been climbing for days. Okay, thank you, Joseph, for the heads up. We're gonna check it out right now. What else? We have TMC, we have FCEL. Okay, let's get right to it and see first. Luis requests a stock. And then, okay, let me just check this one. Okay. For this one, we're still gravitating around this last support for this one. Luis, just look for this one. The $1.25 is the kind of the bottom for right now. If we just see right now, we should have like a bounce again in order to see a test at least for this gap around the $1.87 before the $2, because we already tested the $2 and we got rejected here after we went down. So we already tested, so there's a test will happen pretty soon around the $1.90, Luis. Okay, $1.90, $1.88. And this will be a test before, if we just hold this level, we're gonna see a test pretty soon for this gap or in this area. Okay, so for the next time, if we got rejected here, this will be a sign of weakness, and this time will be there is a sign that will break this support after. Okay, but if we just overcome this means we're gonna gravitate up again above the $2, and this will be upside trend again for NXTB. So this is really important right now to hold just this support. Okay, $1.25 will change everything. Then the test will confirm that we'll go to reverse this downtrend, or if we're gonna have a rejection, then this will be the signal that we're gonna break the support the next time. And let me just check. Okay, let me check. Yeah, Luis. The $1.25 is the last support, should be the last support. However, below the $1.25, just get out. Okay, this is really important. Have an exit strategy. Paula, no, we didn't cover LKCO. We're gonna cover it pretty quick. Ali, okay, Ali, we're gonna cover marine right now. Ali is a new hunter and our membership on YouTube. So let me just see marine for you, Ali, and let's see marine. Boom. So for marine, guys, for marine, okay, we have kind of tested the support right now around the $5.76. We said the $5.76 is really important. Okay, this will confirm this upside trend and perfect bounce from this ascending line. So this is kind of good right now for marine to have this wick and buying pressure. So guys, we want to confirm that right now this will be the bottom. Okay, this is it for marine in order to see a test by the next week around the $7.33 or the $7.58. This is it, the last resistant. Let me just check this. Yeah, around this area, the $7.50, and this will be here. Okay, a test by Monday around this area. Even if we get rejected, we want to hold this ascending line in order to go up again. Okay, this is the good scenario to hold for marine. Otherwise, we're gonna see the price gravitate here. Okay, around the $4.79. This will be it, because this is a gap to be felt. We don't see a candle here, but no, will come here. So this is it, will be a good bounce in order to see a test next week here around the $7.57, support $5.76. What else? Khalil, we already covered Fami. Okay, Cockbo said Elon Musk and Zach an hour back. Wait till 10K report, then we go to the universe. Guess what? If Elon Musk actually with CI, we gonna go to Mars, not to the that's it. We're gonna go to Mars, literally. No problem, Cock. No problem. Okay, we didn't cover FCEL from for Sam. We're gonna cover it right now. Okay. The support has been tested, guys. Right now, the $8.87. We have a bit of wick right now. Let me just go this. We have kind of testing the support, and this is kind of the way I don't like right now. Okay, we have a bit of closing candle below after this test here. So this is I don't like right now for few cell energy after we have a target around the 11. So let me just check in okay. So yeah, the volume has been dropping, guys, for this one. That's why we see the price going down. However, we have a bit of hold up here because we have a bounce precisely around this exponential average. So this will be it for fuel cell energy to see a buying pressure. If we don't, we're gonna see the price go gravitate again around this technical area, which is the $7 or around this gap around this $8.19. So this is really important, guys, for holding the $8.70 or around this our exponential average. And this will be confirmed right now because the price will be hit with the resistance around this area, the $9. So the $9 is right now is the resistance. Okay, here, okay, the $9 now is the resistance, and here is the support around our exponential average. So right now that will happen if we don't overcome this resistance, will go here. Okay, so this is really important to confirm that we're not going to lower if we don't overcome this, then the $9. Okay, because look with me, guys, we still doing a higher lows here. We change the momentum. Okay, and the volume is dropping. doing higher lows, and this is the resistance right now. So if we don't want to go back, we want to close candle here. If not, this is will confirm the resistance and the price will go down. Paula, Bola. She write LKCO twice. Okay, smart. You're a smart. We have Prague. Okay. You pronounce it right this time, Luis. A-I-K-I, not A-L-K-I. Okay. Before that, let me check something, guys. We have, ATR. So ATR is actually holding up the support. Let me just check again GameStop, what's going on with GameStop. Like, because AMC is moving, it means GameStop maybe it's moving as well for big squeeze. Okay. So for GameStop, guys, we actually exploded, as we said, around the 219. When we were here, guys, I said if we go above the 189, we're gonna see the 200. So this has happened around the 1st of November, guys, for GameStop. And I don't know why nobody told me about this. Already said it before. I don't know, nobody actually trading GameStop here, because we already talked about it, guys. I told you to put notification around this area, the 189, and we said the price will go over the 200. That's why we said it here. The price over get 300, and we have a target around the 277, and we went to 255. So yeah, we predicted that the price will have a rejection before the 300, and that's what we did here. So right now the price gravitate below the 219. This is not by mistake, guys, because the price over this this level is the rejection area. Okay, this is the rejection area. So we didn't see a green candle close above. This is just FOMO buying above. So the price technically right now will gravitate down. If we don't close above here, the price will gravitate down at least around the 100 or the 200 this time, or 190. And we hold above the 189 in order to see the price go up again. Okay, this will be it, because here the charging point for squeeze. If you want to see GameStop squeeze again and go to 300, we want to overcome this resistance. Okay, let me see Luis. Okay, Luis, right now is been the price has been tested our ascending line. So guys, for this one, let me go in the big picture. So yeah, so right now this is a need right now before the market close, we have a wick, because right now I don't like this candle actually going below our ascending line. Okay, this is I don't like at all, because if we just move it like this is will confirm that we actually broke a bit right now from this ascending line. So be careful. Right now we're gonna see a test around this area, which is the 081 will be the support. Okay, this will be the support if we don't want to go the 72. So be careful from this one, because the volume is dropping right now. Yeah, the volume is dropping. Yeah, the volume is dropping. For this one is dropping. So yeah, I'll be careful. The next support will be the 081.97 for this one, before we're gonna see any buying pressure happening anytime soon. This will be the charging point again. If we want to go actually the $1, the charging point will be here, the last charging point, if we don't want to see really going down. Okay, for this one. Pa, pa, pa. Marine is moving, yes. Wait a second, we have some stock is been bumping. Joseph talked about it, but it's been lost right now. I can't find it. Yes, energy stock. So this one, let me just check it. Joseph, he said was bumping for days. So let's check if that's right or not. Whoa, Joseph. Yeah, it's really bumping, this one. Yes, it's really bumping. So we have kind of bottomed for this one around the $3. Around the $3, yeah. Around the $3 for this one. And the price right now jumping and 13%. And okay, for this one, Joseph, I will be extra careful because we're gonna hit with the massive resistance around the $6.30. Okay, $6.30. This will confirm if we want to go to all-time high or not, because this, if we got rejected, we might go again lower, okay, and see another bottom. So be careful from this one because we're already been downtrending for a while. We want to confirm this trend, downtrend change after the $6.33. And because if we go here, we see and the last month we have okay, you see we have kind of some news about this stock. So they said investigation claim on behalf of investors, Energy Africa, okay, reconnaissance the company. Well, such investors are advised to contact. So we have some kind of things going on with the stock because some shady things happening. And okay, we have various forms of undisclosed, otherwise problematic conduct. We have some kind of reports about the stock. That's why we see the price going down, and some reports have been published before. So that's why we see like at the end of October, the price actually is still going down. So we'll be extra careful until we see a regaining for the price around the $6.33. Above will be good. Let me check you guys. Yes, Luis. We're gonna talk at Sunday at the same time, okay? 9 p.m. Paris time. I don't know, and Miami is 3 p.m. So we're gonna meet at our meeting at Sunday as usual. You're getting good, Luis. You're getting like you have the. I don't know what I call it. You learn quick. So this is good that you learning how to hunt right now. Okay, we have Fami. What else we have? Okay, let me check your. Okay, we have Prague. Goku, Prague is still holding up because we bounced lately from our ascending line, looking pretty good. And again, we have another rejection. again, but we're still holding, guys. Look, we have rejection again around the $3.76, a big candle wick. So this is confirmed right now. This is confirmed right now. This is the $3.76, and is kind of a lot of turbulence here. So you see, anytime we have test for this ascending line is kind of been tested a lot, guys. So be careful right now. We've been tested this so many times. So here we have a 3 candles and this shooting star candle forming. So I will be extra careful right now from now on, okay? This is kind of confirmed the resistance, because right now by Monday, if we don't see again this level and we don't hold the $3.38, this time we're gonna see the $2.67 for sure. So be careful from this one, okay? And yeah, yeah, still holding. Any price above the $3.38 is good to go to the $5 for Prague. Trump stock, guys. Trump stock it's have got rejected at our own place, the DWAC. Look at this, guys. Look at this crazy thing. Look at this. You know what we said before in the last video? Yes, right. We said that the price will go to fill the gap around the 52. And that's what we did. Perfect, you see? And the price went up. Then we said we're gonna see a double bottom and the price will jump again. However, this time we're gonna see a rejection around the 69.76. And guess what happened? Perfect rejection at our resistance, which is the 67. And a lot of you ask me, even on Patreon here, and they ask me like, you should tell us the price level. Guys, you can see it here, you see? Here, 69. I don't have to even say it. You can see it by yourself, because the line here is white. And if you follow the line, at the end of the line, you can see the price, 69 here, precisely. So if I forget to tell you which price and I just say the line here and there, you can just see it by yourself here, 69. So as we said, we got rejected, and right now we're going down again. So guys, Trump stock, go back down to recharge. So right now I'll be extra careful, because we already tested twice. The next time will be it, guys. If we don't hold this level, closing candle here, just get out. I'm just telling you, guys. We're going to see a massive sell-off like what happened here, in order to see the price gravitate around the 26 or around the 37, around this area and midway here. So be careful from this one. This is the last support to hold. And again, the 69 confirmed resistance in order to see the 90. Okay? I think this is clear enough, guys. Okay, we have some kind of scammers, or I don't know, like a lot of okay, guys, I want to tell you something. Like, we have a lot of scammers and a lot of people like pretend is me by putting in like WhatsApp numbers and things like this in comment section. So be careful. I will never put my WhatsApp number or any number, okay? I just have Patreon, Discord, and yeah, and this too, okay? You can contact with me, okay? The other is don't pay any attention. It's been like 2 days, 3 days, I started deleting those scammers and time consumers. Okay, so if you found this kind of scammers who pretend that me and have the WhatsApp number, please just report them. Okay, it would be easier. Okay, the more people report those scammers, the easier they will never actually comment the next time. So again, guys, let me see what's happening. Okay, double. You said till is been up since okay, let me just say till. Okay. Okay, it's bumping. You're right, it's bumping. Yes, I should listen to you. And yeah, kind of we break the $4.23. This is the resistance. It was, yes, it look really nice. Look really nice. For this one, it look perfect. Yes, you should have actually said it before, you know. It was really perfect trade for this one. Okay. Guys, we have a runner. Here. Okay, it's going up 10%. And the price going to all-time high for this one. And we can predict the price for this one to go around the $6, or maybe for this, yeah, the $6 will be perfect buying taking profit, and the $8.78. However, right now let me just check the news, and for this one we have offering of senior notes. We have intent to offer and sell 8.25% senior notes due to 2022 and underwriting public offering. So we have some kind of future like a lot of people have big numbers, or even like projection price, and even like for the fundamental is going good. We have even public offering. That's why we have the price surging up and going up like crazy right now. And we have like yeah, for the last hour for the trading session. That's why a lot of people just loading on this one, and they think in the next week we're gonna see the $6.60 and even the $10 for this one. That's why it's jumping, guys. This is crazy. And again, the resistance was around the $4.23. Right now it's support, guys. This is it. This one is kind of the support. So if you buy here, yeah, this is, you see, it's volatile, guys. So know when you get in, you have to have a level of I don't know, like to know that the stock will go on under the way, or something bad will happen, just in case, is to calculate how much. Okay, for this one will be around like 20%. However, there's possibility that we're gonna see the 40% in coming weeks, or even almost 100%. So yeah, there's a potential to have really good gain. However, the stop loss, it should be even bigger. Okay, so that's why always have a strategy. It's flexible, and know where your target to get in, where the target to get out, and cut your emotion and see the trade as like this. Okay, and marine is bumping as well. Marine is bumping, guys. Let me just check what happened. Yes, it's bumping right now. Actually, marine just bumped right now, guys, while we speak. Okay, what's going on, people? Yes, just the half hour. Yeah, just half hour before. The marine is bumping right just now. And okay, let me see. It's been testing right now the two resistant level around the $7 and $8.29. This is looking perfect, guys. So yeah, for marine, the $8.29, this will be it. That's why we see a bit of rejection right now around this technical area. You see, this is as we said, guys, as we speak, rejection, because we getting near the resistance around the $8.29. We get rejected around the $8.12. You see, guys, this is kind of one-on-one, as I say, how to hunt. Just take your profit around the resistance, and that's why the price get rejected. Right now, why we speaking, and the price just jumped half an hour ago, and the price go down because we actually near the resistance. We want to confirm right now, guys, as we speak, we want to confirm a candle. If you want to re-enter after you take your profit, okay, we want to get closing candle above the $8.29 in order to see the $11.90. This will be a safer trade. Right now is really volatile. That's why we see selling pressure happening. And yeah, TEL is looking good, guys. So let me just put this, okay. Bola is actually spamming the live chat. Okay, Bola. Okay, Bola. Okay. We're gonna cover LKCO. Please, Bola. Here we are try to be to cover all the stocks, okay, because we have a lot of stocks and everybody wait their turn, so it's not good to have this kind of sending a lot of messages, and this will be not good in the chat, okay. Okay, Sam, we already talked about Lucid, Dogecoin. We're gonna cover all Bitcoin in a bit. Hell Gates, you need some modes. I don't know what you talking about. You mean, you talk about the scammers? Thank you, Luis. Okay, wait a second. Okay. We're gonna see LKCO a bit, guys, to see what's going on. Okay. Look, let me just clear everything out. First of all, let's go here. The price is going back again around the $1 because one thing happened. The one thing happened is, let me just clear this off. And okay, yeah, the one thing that happened actually is this this big ascending line that we have a fake out from here. And let me just draw it here. Okay, you see, this is kind of clear. The moment that we got rejected around our exponential average here, the $1.30, because we were near around this exponential average. So the moment that we close above it with clear green candle or above the $1.40, this would be a good sign. However, we didn't. That's why we break in again down below. So this time it looks that we're gonna see the below the $1 again, because we already have the chance to go over the $1.40, but we didn't. and that's mean we have a massive selling pressure happening above. Let me check if we have some news for LKCO. LKCO said Monday it has agreed to sell about 27.3 million shares to certain institution investor at the price of $1.20 per share for total gross of 32.8 million. So as a part of the deal, the investor will also receive a warrant to purchase up to about 13.7 million ordinary shares. The warrants are valid for 3 years, and the price of $1.60 per share according to the statement. So that's we have this around September 20th September. Okay, this is the last news for LKCO, and it was a bit here, okay, around the 20th of September here. So after we get the news, we have a bit of sell-off happening, you know, after we get the news around here 20, okay, here. So we have the news, so the price went below before even the news. So we have a big sell-off happened here after we have the price actually around the $1.30. Yeah, around the $1.30, I think. $1.20. Yeah, $1.20. So the price when was around the $1.50, and LKCO have published that they will sell price of LKCO are at $1.20. That's why the price went crazy down before the news. A big sell-off, insider sell before this news come out. Then the price went down again because right now the price didn't overcome this massive selling pressure that happened from insider, which is here, the trigger. So I'll be clear right now from LKCO until we see the $1.89. Cockpit 2 minutes before market close. Okay, 2 minutes. Let me see. Okay, for April, right now we are near the resistance actually for AMC. So yeah, we are really near the resistance for AMC. That's why we close around the 4170. Perfect around the resistance. So right now what will happen for Monday for AMC is a gap, guys. This is it, because we are really near the resistance. We're gonna see a big gap, okay? If we have a trigger like a spike, or we're gonna see the next test here. Or even if we open above here around the 42 will be perfect for Monday, for the next week to test the 48, guys. 48 would be the next resistant level before the squeeze, the 52. And for till the stop loss will be around this level, around the $4 or above the $4 will be good, okay? Yeah, any price above the $4 for tell is good. Thanks, health. Have a nice weekend. For Louise, of course, BFA. Have a nice weekend, Cock, as well. No problem, double. Let me see for BFE for Louise. Pretty quick. So we have a gap for this one. Yeah, we have a gap today for this one. So for this one, Luis is look really good for me. If we go in a big picture, let me just check. Boom, boom, and let me see the 4. Yeah, it's look really good. Right now we have kind of over even come this a bit of support. So the 48 right now. So we have to see all-time high for this one, which is above the 50 for the next week. If we hold this gap right now, which is around this area, the gap should be hold around the 46, above the 46. This will be perfect to see the all-time high and above the 51. We might see a double top, Luis, around the 50 here, around the 51.34. So you could actually take a profit here on the 51.34 for this one, okay? And the support is 46. No problem, Chrome. Happy to help. Okay, Rebas Marie, MRAI. Wait a second. I will do a special video for CI, so don't worry about it. I will do update for this weekend, okay? MRI. Okay, we have this question from Robaz on our Patreon, of course. Let me see. We have a test, guys. This is really crazy. Test from as I said, guys, this is triangle really important, and we said what in our pre-market update we need a closing candle above. Today we just see a test and a big candle went down below around the $6. Boom. This is just a test, guys. So we predict that by Monday we're gonna see a gap, I think, for this one around the $6.35 or beyond, because this is where the resistance right now lies for sure, the $6.10. Okay, the support is the $5. Perfect support for this one to see all-time high. If we hold the $5, that's mean we're gonna see explosion this time above the $6, and this will be the support to see the price go even for the $10 for this one. So right now we close around the $5.44. Okay. Oh man, Chrome, what's happening? What's happened to you? 2000 falling soldier killed by Apex. Okay, let's see. Luis, I will cover CRTX after we cover Joseph BFE. Okay, we cover it. Okay, we cover it. BFE, we cover it. We talked about it. Okay, let's talk about CTRX. Okay. Whoa, what's going on? Yeah, we already covered it. So for this one, I will never touch it, okay? Right now, I will never come closer, okay? We broke even the support around the 1978. We went until this 12. Right now is around the 16. So just put notification for this one. If we go over the 1978, I will re-enter in order to take a profit around this area. Okay, just take a profit after here to 28. So you take a profit here from the 20 until 28. This will be 35%. This would be the safer bet. Right now is dangerous, guys. We might see a price go drop again below the $10. So it will be clear until we have the price go over the 1978 and confirm this support and over to retest the 28, then the 42 again. Okay, PHUN, let me just check it. What you mean, April? Where you should I buy more AMC? What you mean? You don't have a brokerage account? You can buy from there. Okay, we have this one. Yeah, PHUN. Already did the trade with this one. However, I don't like it because I know the price will go down. That's why it went down a bit. And because we didn't hold this support, guys, this support, you know, the $4.16. That's why we went until the $4.01 and we closed around the $4.22. So yeah, right now we have the confirmed the $3.86 is the strongest support right now after we have a test around the $3.13. So for PHUN is still holding, guys, after we have a big buying pressure. So this is the last support. Simple as that. This is the last support that we should hold if we don't want to do double support or double bottom around the $3.13. If we hold this and we never visit it, because we really test the $4. This is crazy, guys. So it's psychological level. The $4 is confirmed is psychological level. And let me just do this. The resistance actually kind of here around the $4.28. And this is will be the resistance around this area, the $4.63. So yeah. Right now, by Monday, we're going to see a test for the $4.28. If we got rejected, guys, the price will go here. Here where we'll hunt the $3.86 before we're going to see a price go up again, okay? This will be the strongest support. If we don't overcome the $4.28 by the next week. Nice. Okay, it's 30. Okay, it's good. So April is simple as that. If we overcome the ascending line around the 42, is mean is loading phase. Okay. If we don't, it's mean we're gonna gravitate back a bit. Okay. So this is it for AMC. For Bbig, let me just check it pretty quick. Okay, for Bbig, we didn't hold the support, and this is not good because the $4.78 is really strong support. Right now, we gravitating in the midway here. So if I see some support forming or some kind of a test will happen around the $4 because we went until the $4.32. So this will be a psychological level as well for Bbig. And let me just go in a big picture. Yeah, we should have we bounce kind of from our exponential average. So this will be the buying pressure. The last buying pressure here should have hold this area, okay? And this is the resistance. Right now is below our resistance, which is the $4.78. So yeah, if we got rejected here, we're gonna see a price go gravitate a bit here before we actually go up this time, okay? Because the general trend is still downtrending. So the $4 is the last support if we have a bounce and test this time around the $5 here, guys, the $5.80, $5.90. The next test of resistance will happen pretty quick for the next Monday, okay? We have a stock. They postponed the launch okay, we have a next week news, so there will be a bit of price movement because the news was postponed. However, guys, the postponing of the news is have a negative effect on the stock, you know that. So right now we have this one news coming up next week. As I said, guys, the $10 for this one is the ignition. So yeah, for this one, I will predict the price to go again after the news around the 12th. And if the news is good, this time we're gonna see the price go until the around the 13th, 19 and 14. Here we're gonna see the squeeze. Here you should take your profit, okay? For this one, if we have hold this level right now, this would be it. Okay, guys, hopefully you have a nice weekend. And again, as I said, every time on the Thursday or Friday, always live streaming 8 p.m. Paris time. And again, join us, guys, in Patreon. If you're not already a hunter, join us, guys. Pre-market exclusive video, one-on-one meeting with me on the Patreon. We almost 100 Patreon, so thank you for the support. And again, hopefully you learned something today, because we don't talk about just prices, buy and sell, but have educational video for you guys to hunt by yourself like me and hunt like insiders, guys, at exactly the price level as we always bring you here at our channel. So hopefully you have a nice trading day, and see you in the next trading week. Okay, see you in the next video, guys.